These tasty vegan cookies are high in protein, fiber, and iron. First, we'll make a flax egg and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then combine flour, protein powder, cocoa powder, and baking soda. In a medium bowl, cream together brown sugar and peanut butter. Then add the flax egg, plant milk, and some applesauce. Gently combine the wet and dry ingredients. Then add chopped nuts and chocolate chips. Fold them into the sticky dough. Cover it and chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then we'll roll the dough into balls and flatten them. Bake this for about 9 to 10 minutes. You can find the full recipe and other helpful tips on the blog.